This video is how to use a smart TV and what a smart TV is. Well, a smart TV basically has applications like your cell phone does. So you can watch things like Hulu and Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. So on this TV, this is a Samsung 9000 series that is a smart TV. And the good thing about this one is it has voice control for doing voice type of commands to the TV. So you could tell the TV you want to watch Amazon Prime, and these things are called applications. So on the TV control, you want to hit the home key, and if you hit the home key on the Samsung 9000 or similar voice-activated TV, you'll see the TV will present you with applications that you can use. So to select those, you can simply use the control and use the ring here and move the ring in the direction by pushing your thumb on it or finger in the direction of the apps that you want to watch. So in my case, you can explore the applications on here. There's an Xfinity app, there's Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, so you can simply hit the round key here to select one of these apps. And that's how a smart TV is different from a regular TV. A regular TV might display cable with cable going in through HDMI and it's not internet connected. This TV has a connection to the internet via Wi-Fi. So here you can basically play all these apps and you can search for more. So these apps are basically ways of watching more TV shows through a subscription service. So in some cases here, we have Amazon Prime Video, say, and so you would have a subscription to Amazon Prime, and if you have that subscription to Amazon Prime, Amazon offers videos you can watch. So I can simply press this middle button here and select the Prime Video. And on Amazon Prime Video, you're now in their app, so you're no longer watching Comcast or your cable channels. You can watch all these different programs that are included with Amazon, and you can surf through here by going along the top here and seeing what is offered here. They have movies, and you can select movies here and see what movies Amazon will let you watch. There's a bunch of movies on here. You can also buy movies if you want. What else? They have Amazon originals that are really interesting to watch. They're actually really well done and really cutting edge. This marvelous Mrs. Maisel has been a really important one, which has been advertised, and along with its Homecoming. So that's pretty much how to use apps. And of course, to get out of these applications, to get out of Amazon is kind of hard, and you have to keep hitting this back button here. Back button, back button, back button, and eventually it's going to say exit app, okay. And if you want to get into a different application, say, now we're back into the applications on the bottom. This is again how Smart TV works. You could bring up Netflix, which I don't have, Prime Video. I have no idea what Facebook Video is, but okay, let's try it out. It probably needs to sign into Facebook or something like that. So I don't have Facebook, so I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to exit here. Let's exit. Yes, I want to exit this application here. I select exit. And I'm not exiting, so I'll try it again. Try it again, exit, move this thing down, press exit, and out I go. So that app was written by Facebook, I'm sure. You can also select this little square over here, which will, I think, show you many more applications. So here I'm going to move over to the square here, which is apps. Press on that on Samsung here, and you'll see probably 6 zillion more apps that Samsung is probably getting paid to have the app vendors subscribe to these apps. So lots of football stuff on here, ABC, NBC, all the stuff's installed, it looks like. CBS News. So this is what a smart TV can do for you. Basically, if you want to say watch Bloomberg TV, I think that's subscription, so I'll say let's see what happens here. Maybe not. I'm going to say Bloomberg. And what does it do? It doesn't do anything. So I can use the voice command here and say Bloomberg, and it'll search for the app. Interesting. So it's giving me actual then Comcast channels, which is pretty cool. So I could go to the Bloomberg channel here that way. and watch Bloomberg TV. But that's off of Comcast. It's not an app. Anyway, thanks for watching. And now you know what a smart TV can do. It has applications like a cell phone. Thanks for watching and have a great day.